Okay, forgot to turn off the stream. Okay, we're back. Awesome. Let's see what we got here. Okay, so this is the latest version of the RPG engine. The latest, most shiny version. That's not supposed to happen. Okay. That's funny. Oh yeah, they fixed the body. Oh, that's awesome. Now I don't get the spine issue where it looked like a kind of like a duck. That's awesome. They fixed the position of the RPG on the shoulder. Beautiful. This template has so much, I haven't even like seen the whole thing. It has the double jump with a little spin that I'm not a super fan of. I'm gonna change that. What I'm most excited about is the swimming. Left control to dive, space, pop up, get out. Okay, with left control. I always found very uncomfortable to have that key. But very awesome, really love it. Some very shiny effects underwater. Okay, sweet. We got some videos and stuff showcasing things. That's very awesome. And the sound is loud. I can hear it from my headphones. I'm gonna lower that. Wait, is it aiming without guns? Okay, no, it's just covering. Okay. Okay, they run away. That's so awesome. And my favorite thing is to check the parkour thing, because now we have something I want to check, which is grabbing into the ledge. In the air. No, not the double jump, but that's what I want, yeah. So if I'm falling, can I grab myself from there? I saw it on the video. Does it need to be a very specific height? Why do they disappear in the editor mode? Okay, wait. World partition. There you go. That's what I want. How far can I push this? No, no, I don't want it. I don't want the double jump. It's not grabbing. It has to do with the speed, maybe, no? I'm not sure how that works. Yeah, I would like it to grab the ledge. Like that. Might be too far away. No, I don't get it. I think it has to do with the speed. it might line trace, make a line trace. Yeah, it needs to have a distance. There you go. Okay, for people like me who like to just jump every second, it's gonna definitely be buggy. Because if I do double jump, it does the double jump, but if I do one, does it have to do with the position of the pointer? I mean, where I'm looking at? Let's see. No, it does not have to do with that. That's good. Oh, nice. I like that. I was falling and it allowed me to go in there. Okay, I'm falling. No. Falling, okay. Well, it's feeling good actually. Alright, so today's the day where I update my project. We're gonna be just testing a lot. Time to actually make a game and stop just making beautiful environments. Whoa, okay, the speed. That's a lot of acceleration. I think that changed. Oh no, the beautiful VFX. Why you got rid of that? I like the other VFX, the glitchy green thing. Wow, and the acceleration, it's crazy. You see, oof, I'm just dashing. And oof, it takes the character. The grip on the ground is different. Oof, yeah, it feels like I'm on very slippery ground. Ooh. Not sure if that's on purpose. On this ground doesn't feel like it, but on this yellow one, it does. Yep. Wow, that's interesting. Why it feels different on the yellow one? Are these blocks special? BP level block, traversable. And what we're dealing here with? Traversable. Do we have any of those? Ага.
Я позвонила, вони не відповідали. Значить,
Hey, Nico.
Ситуація така. Esta es терапія, кінотерапія, так? Con caballos. Pero вони так само можуть нам solo каже, що субота вся забита y tienen campo domingo en la mañana. Що резерве? Domingo en la mañana. Якщо, наприклад, ти, Ема, вже захоче їхати, ну імпорта, піде тато. І ти,
A qué hora?
але 10.
Ok.
Якщо Ема лишиться, підете з Ему. Окей?
Добре.
Тратове, так?
Добре.
Тому що ну, я вже не хотіла цей, кажу, раз я вже так старалася. А потім, якщо Софії сподобається, вона може ходити раз в тиждень, там їх чистити, їм давати їсти, розумієш, такі штуки.
Ага.
Типа, це вже терапія для неї.
Ok.
Але спочатку хай подивиться, Люба. Тут вона сказала por el club campestre la campiña, Montes de Oca, тут близько.
Monte de Oca?
Sí, pues tú blizzenco. ¿Recuerdas? No recuerdas Club Campestre. ¿Recuerdas Parque del Este? Más arribita del Parque del Este. Bueno, es cerca.
Ok. Bueno, ma, дякую.
Okay.
All right. Yeah, I'm testing the new version. Here we have this leg animation. That's not so sweet. This is gonna break the thing, like, yeah, definitely. That we need to work on that animation and see if we can get it. All right. So it's good that I'm live streaming this thing, but I need to keep a list of changes that I'm making. To my game, in case there's a new if there are updates, I need to manually make them. all right, look at this. Okay. Okay. Well, you cannot expect this to be perfect. Oh my god, that's funny. Yeah, the acceleration is a little different. Okay, yeah, it feels way better, to be honest. Okay, so the first thing I want to try is to get my character working here. That's the first thing. I'm really thinking, should I keep this project as a test project and the other one as a world building project? Does it make sense? Because I've been really having doubts about my map. I kinda not sure if I should make it like an, let's say, open world. It's not an open world, but it's like a very big map, or if I should just break it into smaller levels. I guess I should probably just try keeping it as it is and doing the level instances and try all that stuff that I want to try. And if it doesn't work, I guess I will need to make it like into smaller levels. I haven't tried it before, so I really have no clue what's the best solution. But yeah. Okay, let's see if we can bring my character here. Oof, I totally forgot how to do these things. And every little change I make to the template, I would like to make a tutorial, not only for myself but for other people who are also working with the template, because I'm gonna forget anyways in a couple of days, like how to do the retargeting and stuff. I'm working on the same project. This is the template. This is the RPG template overview level, and I want to bring my map into that project, and I want to start working on the game actually. So not sure what should I do. The other issue is that I'm running out of space again. Like, oh my god, I don't know why this disk just keeps filling itself. I don't really understand what's going on. My project is like 100 gigabytes. I don't know where the other space is. It's gone. I don't have any games on this computer, and all my other stuff is in the other hard drive, which is super weird. It's on my new hard drive, which it's 2 terabytes, which is also filling up. Oh my god, yeah. Need to organize. Okay, anyways, I want to start testing some stuff. So okay, let's see what should we do. Another option is to put both projects here and then merge the map. Oh, damn it, it's a little confusing. I might probably need to ask some friends about this. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, I would love to watch. I would love to see what you're working on. Okay, here we got Bellica. Nice. Oh, nice. Hey, blue cow. That's cool. Wow, it looks very nice. Nice recording studio. Usually the keyboards, well, it depends on how you want to set it up, but if you put it here, it blocks the view from the command center. Yeah, looks very nice. All right, let's see if we can actually bring this there. Oh wait, yeah. An asset already exists in location. Meshes weapon, rifle, SK rifle, default UE asset. No, we don't want to overwrite anything. Wow, so many things. It's just one character. Okay, let's see. So I'm gonna bring Bellica to the template project, and I'm going to add a little I'm gonna send the retargeter. That's my main concern. Is the retargeter that I made going to work in the new version? Is it going to have the same issues I had here? Those and many more questions will soon be answered. Let's see. Okay, okay. Okay, we got Bellica. Do we have the retargeter for hair? Not sure. Yes, we do have it. Okay, I totally forgot how to do this. But I have a video. And it should start somewhere from minute 12:30. So, okay, we have the character, we create the retargeter, I have my retargeter already created. He goes to the pelvis, makes it as root. Auto create retarget chains. Then he puts them all to none. Yep. Yeah, we got that. Okay, he goes to the blueprint. Creates a child. In the retargeter, there's the IK retargeter map. And he has all the skeletons that are able to be retargeted. And then he needs to add the retargeter he made right there. And there is a tag that you need to add also. So here, here's where I'm missing. I'm missing this part. Okay. So, let's see if I remember where things are located here. BP RPG character, is this the one? Okay. IK retargeter map. I just need to make sure that this is the character. I think it is. inside this one, I'm looking for the IK retargeter map. Let's see. IK retargeter map. That's under variables. Ah, it's on the animation blueprint. That's why. Yeah. That's why I cannot find it. ABP generic retargeter. ABP generic retargeter. Okay. Nice. We have our UE4, UE5, a UEFN to MetaHuman, to Cinti, to Character Creator 4, and we need to add a little one. We need to add one more, and this one is gonna be named this one is gonna be named to Bellica. Okay. And here we're gonna choose the Bellica retargeter. Then we need to add a tag. This is the most important part. He says tag. There you go. It's under character mesh 0, and he adds the tag. And the tag is the same name that you have here. So okay, we need this into here. Aha, there you go. So this is retargeted into the MetaHuman. We don't want that. We want to retarget to Bellica. And we need to add Bellica here as well. So I think it's under mesh 0. And I think I'm missing. I think I'm missing something else. I think I'm missing the skin. I think I'm missing what? I think I'm missing the skin, and the skin I think is changed. Default character skin DASA UE4 blue. Start character skin. I need to check this on my other project. Because I think it's the skin that we need to change. Oh, there's no skeletal heel here. Okay. What do we have there? I cannot read what it says. Generic retargeter, okay. Oh, Jesus, okay. So I believe we don't need to add hair here. Don't worry, dude, those are bots. Don't. Let's see how we can make this work. I think it's the skin. Okay. So mesh, we have that. Body is none. BP main component, skin. DASA blue, blue. Okay, let's find this one. Bellica. There you go. We found it. D-A-C-L-S-C... Jesus. D-A-C-L-C-S UE5 blue. Jesus Christ. And this is what we need to change the skin. This is a full body skin. So, okay. It's not here that we need to add. It's on BP main component, which makes most of the work here. And here we want to find the character skin. This one right there, and it's the last one, which is the clarification info. And there you go. And here we want to put Bellica. Bellica. We have the async body asset and the sync body asset. I still don't understand how this work and which one should I use, but we're gonna figure that out. So if I compile, we should be able to yeah, it is a mess, but that's how it is. And we still see the blue Manny. Oh, wait. I see some stuff here that is wrong. It needs to be named differently, because that's the tag that will make it work. So let's hide this. Yep, this is the one right there. Just double check that I'm actually copying the same thing. Now we can test. Still getting. But she has the Bellica arms, this kind of like very weird hand pose. So we got some progress. It's just that this is not showing me the thing. The only thing that I don't understand is why I cannot see it here in the viewport. There's something missing. I'm very close. There's something missing. It should be Okay, mesh. Okay, we got a difference here, and it's the mutable. Use mutable skin mode. Maybe that's what is messing the thing up. Not sure. Yep, that was messing the thing up. Cool, we got Bellica. Hey, sweet. So yeah, the mutable plugin, that's another beast to handle. Absolutely. That's it's gonna take me some time to understand. Oof, the dash is yeah, they change up the dash. Okay. The oof, getting up. It looks way better with Bellica, to be honest. Doesn't seem like it's too much distortion. Alright, swimming. Let's try swimming. That's so funny. He should not tilt. I shall not tilt down. It's okay. I think it's a quick fix. I'm just gonna tell Weber. He will be able to fix it. They also changed the UI a little bit, which I'm not sure. It's okay. It's nice to keep it very simple so people modify it. Basically, I haven't done much to this, to be honest, to my project. I added a couple of enemies and stuff, which I think I can just bring them very... Oof! Why is the dash so crazy? It didn't used to be like that. Okay, another thing I would like to bring back is the double jump. Which I forgot where it was. Okay, one thing I would like to try. Before I do that, let's see if we get the same bug that I used to get. There you go. You see, when the camera distance becomes too far away, you get funkiness. There must be a way to adjust the camera distance for the retargeter. I forgot how it was. Is it like F1 or F10? 8. Oops. Maybe that was not the key. F8. Yeah, it's the camera distance. This is gonna be very funny if we have, like, if we're playing with friends, and they step away just a little bit. F8. Yeah, they step away a little bit, and the retargeter just stops working. Like, what? Oh yeah, it's camera based. So that probably has a fix, which is not so. Oh yeah. I think I need to add all the sockets where they actually belong. For some reason, the sockets did not transfer. No, it seems like some guns, yeah. Oh, there's a new socket for the rocket launcher. Yeah, that's a new weapon. Okay, makes sense. Yep. That makes sense. Looks nice. Yeah, they fixed the little thing. Now, can I jump and hold the weapon? Oh, I think nope, does not allow me to shoot in the air. Because if not, the legs become stiff. I do like to shoot in the air. There might be a fix for that. Yeah, I will love the weapon to actually point exactly where the crosshair is. Little things like that. Cool. Alright, so that was not so bad. Next thing I would like to figure out is the double jump thing, which was one of the first things I asked somewhere. Me trying to figure out the retargeter. Okay. Me trying to add this little thing. Oh, it's funny. Jesus. BP main component. No, it was way before. That's funny, that little helmet. I would like to make some characters with those pieces I made. That I should have put that in support. That was in showcase. Okay. Okay, double jump. Okay, so here's the thing. AI space. Okay, yeah, I think it's right here. Right here. So, data asset common animations. Which is DA. Animes, okay. That's what I wrote. Oh no, there's, okay, no space, okay. So here, dash, dodge. Oh, we can solve the dash thing as well here. AM double jump, animation montage double jump. Oh, don't tell me that they changed this. Oh yeah, I think it's changed now. No, double jump right there. Now it's called double jump, okay. Just let me so let me get that name. Okay. Nice. We found the ladder animations as well. Dodge, double jump. Okay. I don't want this double jump. I want the one named. Damn. Yeah, I think we got rid of with this new version. It's trying to use less animations, but I don't want this one. I want the other one. I want this one. That's like the jetpack kind of one. It has the rocket thing. Yep. So We don't want to overwrite anything. Just want to get the animation montage. Oh, splash? No. Should be somewhere here. There you go. So we got this one. That's what I want, yeah. Okay, we have the rocket thing and stuff. So yeah, that one. I think I need to retarget that to this. Maybe not. Let's try it. Yay, that was easy. Nice, 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 nice. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, so all those little tweaks I made before, actually, we can bring them. Oh, what is that thing? Nice. We got our jetpack kind of thing. That's... yeah, she should be swimming a little lower, to be honest. There's definitely things we need to adjust. All right, talking about dash, yeah, this VFX is just too boring. I like the sci-fi one, the glitchy green stuff, some glitchy lines. Wow, that's cool. That wait, what's going on with her textures? Is that supposed to be black? Are we missing some textures? Cannot be. Huh. Why is that black? That's very strange. We don't have that here. Oh, yes, we do. What? Oh, what? It can be. I haven't. What? I think I haven't realized that. No, it's... I mean, this map does not have the thing loaded, yeah. The game mode, actually. Okay, so we got that. What other changes I made? I made a weapon with like 10,000 bullets. That doesn't really matter. I guess we. Oh, I did some. Yeah, I got some enemies. I got the robot one, and I have... oh, that's not supposed to be... it's okay, we're gonna figure that out. let's bring the dash VFX. Yeah, that's what I want, the dash VFX. Wow, this is fun. Really want to make stuff like this. It will be also very nice to have a combination between mechanical and mechanical and what's the word, like half animal, half mechanical. Like organic and mechanical, yeah. That'll be nice. Alright, let's see what we got here. Yeah, I do want my map to load fast, not like this. Yeah. That's why making an open world. Yeah, it will be nice to segment it, like make it into smaller levels. That's probably one of the things I need to test as soon as possible to see what approach I'm going to take. Which just takes so long to open the map. Alright, so yeah, I think there's so, yeah, he's really changing this thing so fast. Okay, maybe I'm gonna minimize this one to finish loading this. Why is it preparing shaders? Like I thought that we had this loaded already. Okay, here, wow, this is gonna look so cool with the new pieces. And the funny thing is that everything's unloaded and it takes forever to load this. Well, we got this thing here and we also got some caves that I need to put into a data layer, and we got the infiltrator map, which I actually don't need right now. Let's unload and hide. Also, all the caves, we should probably just put them into a data layer. Let's just throw it into the swamp for now. Okay, cool. Oof, it feels way faster now. Yeah, hey, I appreciate it. Yeah, I got some caves. The map is unloaded now. Like there's not much. I'm just updating the template. So just want to check some things. Okay, that was fast. Oh, you see, we do have that issue. I didn't even see it. Oh, what? We will need to fix this in Substance. It's funny, like the retargeter. Also another thing that we need to check out. That black spot right there. Oh, wow. Was not expecting that from a Paragon character. Oh, Jesus. Okay. No problem. Can fix that. Alright. Nice. So everything is dash. Let's figure out the dash. Because in the new version he changed the VFX for the dash, and I don't want to use that. I want to use the old one. Yeah, and here I'm just trying to build this thing with like proper modular pieces, so the whole thing is gonna be built way faster and nicer. So I'm gonna like redo that industrial area. Well, not redo, because I already have like the blockout thing. Common anim. And here we need to find dash forward, and here it should have a very nice trail, which is right there. This is the Niagara system that I want, right there. So I think I'm just gonna try to get this one, set migrate to right here. Oh, it's already there. Strange. So let's cancel. Just copy the name. That's strange. And here common anim data table dash forward right here. Yep. Oh, okay. And he's using the blue one. What? So why it looks different? Are you serious? It should not look like that. No, it should not look like this. That's strange. Yeah, it should look like this, like these kind of lines. If that's the case, I'm going to override it just to double check. Asset actions migrate, bloop. Yes, override. Because there's something strange. I do like this blue and green glitchy effect. It might be the configuration of the Niagara system. I'm going to migrate this one. I think it's the configuration. Might be the same naming and stuff. Oh, you see, it is missing some stuff. Oh, okay. Because the white one just looks. I think he's trying to make Weber, the developer of this template, is trying to make the template a little bit more generic, so people can use it for different things. Cause it was leaning too much into the sci-fi thing, which is great for me because I do wanna do something sci-fi. But with the new updates, I feel like he's kind of like making it more. More basic, maybe for people who wanna use it for other genres or stuff like that. Okay, let's see what we got. Yeah, that would be super awesome. Some creatures like that in the swamp. A little bit too crazy. The one that I really liked. Some kind of lobster. That's kind of fun. Well, making this in 3D with some nice kid bashing or something. No, this is AI generated. I was just playing with AI to figure out some kind of like creatures. Because I do have a lot of very cool characters in the project, a lot of like very good assets which come with animations and skeletons. So I was thinking like turning those into something mechanical, or making a combination between them. Because I have the skeleton, I have the animation, I have and I also have very cool pieces like Kid Bash, like mechanical pieces that I could use. But I do wanna go more into the make it more like this, like some kind of like animals. Yeah, like it's kind of cool. I was experimenting with this thing, which basically I made this guy from an image, right? This is Tiggy from NeuralViz, a YouTube channel. So I made this from using Tripo, which is like image 3D. Then I refine it, texture it a little bit, and then I put this into this AI software, and it actually like made him talk and give him like teeth, and like you see the deformation. It's the quality is not very good. It's a very small video, but imagine like getting close to this character in the game, and then you get like this pop-up window and you see him talking, and maybe the text appear and you like hear the text also. You hear the voice and stuff, and that way you don't need to animate it, you don't need to add the face rig and all that stuff. Yeah, well, this is AI generated, like like all I have is I have the 3D model, and is this is the render I got from Substance Painter. So his mouth is closed. Actually, I cannot like open his mouth, and the um, topology is super bad. So you can see the triangles right here. It's all triangulated, like, and it's terrible. Like if I really want to animate this guy, I will need to make the retopology, which is gonna like take a lot of work because it's not like a 100% human kind of thing. And he has like like a lot of folds in his skin, and that just takes a lot of work. But I can make this guy talk with AI, which is crazy. So I can have this guy just standing there in a diner or something. Yeah, I like the definitely I couldn't capture how he actually looks like, but it's his cousin, let's say. Yeah, AI is getting crazy. It is getting crazy. For example, like I'm making a game on my own, right? So I cannot really go and just add a a face rig to all my characters, and I cannot just go and animate them even using NVIDIA voice to lip sync thing. I cannot go and do that. It just takes too much work, and this is awesome. Like even though if it's not lip synced properly to the voice and stuff, you can still have it there. Like those old games where you just see the character kind of like talking, and some games they just make noises like like and you get the text. But now with AI we can get the actual audio and the text going, and this makes it so much more immersive because I can have like menus where you have a conversation with the NPCs, and you can ask them like, I don't know, 4 questions, and they will have 4 different answers. So this is very, very interesting. I was playing High on Life, this kind of like a Rick and Morty creator game, and I was thinking like it's super cool to have all these little conversations or all these little things. It really makes the whole world way more interesting. Yeah, the meta-human ones. But again, like meta-humans, you need to create a meta-human, and if you want to make it look like an alien or something else, it takes some work, and then you need to actually get all that going and put it in the game as a 3D model. And I think it might be wow, this is taking a long time to actually transfer. Wow. It will take a lot of not only time and effort, but also resources. Like in the game, it's gonna make the game heavier, and it's gonna make the whole thing more difficult, right? But this gives the illusion of like, oh, the character is actually talking. It's actually moving, and it's telling me something, and I can ask him questions. That's cool. Maybe for example, like if I would like to have like a final boss or like a very important like enemy or boss fight, that one could have actual face rig and animation. That makes sense. But yeah, I'm really trying to figure out ways on how to save time. Let's see if we actually got the VFX here. I totally forgot the name. Oh, there you go. Yes, now it looks blue. Yes, I knew they changed something. So now it has the same name. I should be able to see blue and green. Oh, it's still white. Why? Why? What are you going to use this video for? Cutscenes, and you won't need Diggy whole body? Yeah, the whole body, yes. Yeah, I can have the whole body, and I can have like an idle animation, and then I can have like a talking animation where he moves his hands, but not for cutscenes, but like me just walking around the map, right? And you have a vendor, so you have this character standing there, like oh, well, this template changed a little bit. So let's say you have this character just standing here, right? This is actually meta-human, that's kind of funny. So you come close to him, and he is in idle pose, and then he starts moving his hands, and a little window pops down there, and you see his face actually talking, and you get the text and the voice, which is gonna be kind of weird, because you will see his mouth like shutting here, and then you will see the text going. So yeah, I need to think about it, but that's kind of interesting to be able to have some character interaction. But yeah, it will need to have the full body for sure. Dash forward. For some reason I don't see the... yeah, for some reason I don't see the Niagara effect here. Yeah, that's another... Oh my god, why? Oh, my dash. It should look different. It's okay, I'm just gonna ask. Something's telling me that this might not be the thing. You see, it's supposed to look like this, like these lines. So why does it look different? Huh. And I don't see it playing here, but I do see the other one being played. yeah, I see the Niagara right there, but on this one it's not playing it. So there's some funky stuff here. Hmm. I don't know why. It's not the play effect on that animation. And notify play effect. Play effect. I think, yeah, I think we got something very strange here, and I think the answer to that might be see how it's done before. You see, I can see it here. Yeah, glitchy, nice. I like that glitchy effect. So we have this. Um, um, we have 1 2, and in the other one we have 1 2 3. Why do we have a third timing thing? Yeah, I'm comparing the old version with the new version. And why do we have this 0? There's something different here. And we have this number 3. Here we have just 1 2. Do we have the 0 one? Oh, we do have number 3. But I want to see if we have the 0 one. Yeah, we do have the 0 one. So it looks the same. Is it this one? Okay. That's the same. Yep. Oh, there's a difference. This one ends in 4. Yeah, definitely. Yeah. I've seen people who only know blueprints, and they can definitely get a job, especially in working for an indie game. Blueprints are definitely important. So here's the big difference. Here's the big difference. This one ends in 4. Oh, okay, there you go. The dash continues all the way out from this thing, you see? Oh no, it's just how I'm visualizing it. Oh, damn it, okay. No, it's the same. Oh crap. Yep. Mm, yeah, I don't know. And the funny thing is that it keeps giving me the previous thing. It keeps giving me the previous effect, which these white lines. It comes from here, yeah. It keeps referring to the white one, but no clue. If I take the effect off and do it here, so it's not. Yep, it's not that one. Yeah, we're modifying the wrong montage because this is not the one. Yep, it's still giving me a white line. Yeah, I think we are not modifying the animation, the correct one. Jump and dash. Ah, what is this? And it's not showing in the... What is going on here? All right. Well, I feel like this is one of those things that you kind of need to kind of like to close the project and open it back up. Very strange. But anyways, that's a little thing that I got the asset there. We can visualize it. It's just a matter of putting it where it needs to be. Okay, cool. That's that's a funny character. Let's open that back up. Oh, wow. Oh, I thought. Yeah, I'm waiting for a new camera. I ordered one of those streamer cams that follow you and stuff. Like, that would be nice. So I can get a better camera, because this is a 720 Logitech from maybe 10 years ago or something. It's crazy that still works. Well, anyways, we got the character. We got the character retargeter, which is super awesome. That's the most important thing. We got the double jump, and there's not actually much I've done, because I knew that I was going to update the thing. I love how quick this loads. Yeah, there's something. Oh! I think I saw. No. No, it's not the effect. It's me getting away from the... Yeah. Me getting away from the character. So the retargeter messes up, like... How do I go back? Is it... Bloop, boop, boop. That's another thing we need to fix. That's super strange, like... But... come on, anime. Those are the things that are... I'm like, I don't really wanna spend hours trying to figure this out. I'm just going to ask and see what is going on. Okay, the effect is there. That's all that matters. Yeah, then we can figure out how to deal with that. All right, well, that's nice. For the car, I I need to figure out the retargeter distance from the camera because it messes up the thing. Oh, okay. This is the... Alright, let me just double check F8. If I go closer to her, yeah, it's working. Her hands definitely not grabbing the thing, but yeah. Boop. That retargeter. Yes, it's 5:39. This happens because we are using a live retargeter, which is actually retargeting in real time the UEFN skeleton to the Bellica skeleton. And it's fixed to the camera distance, so when we get farther away from what we need, it breaks it. And I think there should be a setting for that. Because I mean, imagine playing this with like 2 other people or 3, like, you know, you will see them far away, just like, you know. So that's kind of funny. That's actually very important question I need to make, and I believe that having that always visible might be performance heavy. I don't know. All right, that's very cool. I think I'm pretty happy we got most of it. I got a couple of questions to make, so I think yeah, this project is good for now. Now we can actually focus on this thing. Focus on making these pieces. Nice. We're gonna have swimming very soon. Another thing I need to do is actually make this ladder compatible with the blueprint ladder, so we can actually have ladders. That'll be awesome. Okay. It's been 2 hours. Wow, when you do blueprinting and logic and stuff like that, I was not even doing any of that. I was just trying to copy some settings I had from the other project. 2 hours. Wow. That's the thing with making a game. You don't really have a sense of time. When you're working on visual things like the environment or characters or like anything that art related, you do see the progress, you do see some changes, but sometimes you get stuck in like a blueprint for hours and it's like, damn. But that's why I'm using a template, because I mean I'm not a coder, I'm an artist, so it's very cool because I can ask the developer, I can ask other people who are using it, and it's very, very nice. Yeah, I want to make this modular piece as well. Let's see how it goes. I should have probably copied these ones before. and I need to I'm gonna be working on the logic a lot these days, but I need to be jumping from art to logic, so I don't spend too much time just doing one of those things. It's nice to have a balance between, let's say, the game mechanics and the art. Which is nice because I have the game mechanics already made for me. I just need to really adjust them to what I want to do. Okay, here here we will need to figure out what pipe are we gonna use. We need a shorter pipe, which is this one. And here I need to find the corner piece, which is probably going to be this one. Not really. We need to modify it. So this one, it's going to be pushed 10, 20, 30. Well, that's okay. Is it touching 35 units? Like that. Well, it's touching a little bit, whatever. And I need to make sure that actually that matches with this one. So I'm gonna just place it. We don't need that for now. Just gonna loop. So I need to connect here. Okay, so I think I'm gonna make these pipes a little longer here, and this one I'm gonna copy all properties and paste all properties. So yeah, after this level I'm going to, which I'm actually pretty close, like yeah, just need to figure out this corner, and we have almost, I think we have all the pieces to actually go back to the main level, build this properly. And after this level, this industrial area, I think I want to work on enemies. I really want to work on enemies and just try to get as much as many enemies as possible integrated. No, I think we need to use a different one. And make it shorter here. A little bit here. we actually have attributes, generate polygroups, model, poly edit, and here, there you go, snap it there. Then this one. This one needs to go somewhere here. Perfect, snaps. And this one goes right there. Yes, awesome. So here we have two of them. And we have this one here. I should have... Perfect. Should have gotten these ones as well. Awesome. Yeah, it will be actually very nice to get like this industrial level with some enemies and just make a test. Really make a multiplayer test and see what's going on. I think I messed up with this. This is 2G2, this is 2G, so 2G2 and 2G, that's the name of the static mesh. So, oh, I see. I see what happened. This one actually needs to be pushed to the other side, right here. Does it need to be flipped? Maybe. Maybe not in that. Is it transform Y and then push it here? That makes more sense. What? Okay. These pieces are not really important. Don't really need to be 100%. All that matters is that actually they look like they're holding the pipe like that. That's important. This distance right here, it's whatever. Okay. Something like that. Cool. Okay, we need to do this thing right here. So I'm gonna push these three, and yeah, let's push these 5 units. I mean, snap to 5 right there, and here I'm gonna go Control B to browse, D to duplicate. I'm gonna make a different. Ajá.
Papi dice que se fije en el ser que le compró algo para comer.
¿Ya llegó papi?
No, ya casi viene, pero dice que va de camino.
Okay. Um, Now if I modify this one, again, attributes, generate polygroups, find normal deviation or quads, model polyedit, get these faces, deselect those, push it 5, snap to 5, and this should modify these other two instances like that. And here we're gonna push a couple units, and also let's push this 3 a little bit to the center, something like that. Okay, that's kind of cool. This one goes somewhere there, somewhere here. That's nice. Wow, that's gonna look very cool. Alright, now the test is to snap them together here. I'm just gonna grab all of it, which is this, and I will try to go 45 and snap. All right. Oh Jesus, no! This is cause. Oh, wait. Oh, damn! These pipes needs to be. Oops. We are following this pyramid orientation, and here we are not a little bit. Okay, again, we're gonna snap to the other side and see how that should work. Okay, here it's snapping, but here it's not. It makes sense, yeah, it snaps on the bottom one, but not on the top two. We will need to modify this. This needs to be a specific pieces. I never had this case before. That's interesting. So I don't want to mirror it because it does break. It's just gonna break this nice shape right here. Wow, okay. Another solution is to make a bend and bend the pipe. That might work. Alright, let's try solution 1, which is mirror. I know it's not gonna give me nice results, but it's giving me a weird shape, let's go with it and see what happens. Poly edit, give me that line. Can we push it? It's not giving me the orientation I need. Okay. Oof, it does bend the whole thing. Ugh. Nope, that's not the way. Attributes generate polygroups. Oh, Jesus Christ, look at this. That's why it's not. You know what? Sometimes you need to just think about, like, is it good enough? I think it's good enough. Am I getting the sweet angle? Not really, but it doesn't really matter. It's gonna be like a huge industrial thing. Yeah, as long as it connects here, that's good. We can do the bend approach, which is grabbing one of those and bending, but the matching thing is not gonna match so nice. And again, it's gonna be a lot of time and effort, and the result might not be very nice. So sometimes I think the quickest and easiest, I think, is the best. Let's try this one, which is Xform. Wait, model mirror. So here I want this to be again 45, and let's see if we can get it. This is the one that is gonna look absolutely strange, and we need to move 0.5. Good enough. Yeah, this pipe looks super sharp. From the distance you cannot really tell that much. Textures are oh crap, I messed up. Oops. This one, Control B, Control D. We need a new instance. We cannot modify the original. Yeah, mirror transform. That's it. That's the way. That's the way, because if not, good enough. One thing I don't really like is the UVs. You see the repetition there? It looks like one of the psychology tests. So kind of looks cool, but maybe we can fix that by going to UVs, UV editor, and maybe is it layout? Oh no, this is using trim sheets. No, we cannot do that. Yeah, we cannot do that. It's not a triplanar texture, so unless I'm just being too picky. This is not the right mindset. Oh Jesus, why? Oh crap. Oh, that's kind of funny, like very strange viewport right here. So select UV island. There you go, select UV island, which is this one. Can I see what I'm selecting? 。 still getting used to this. Can I see the texture that I'm working with? Okay, yeah, you can push the texture here. It's okay. Yeah. Cool tools, but not now. Nice. Okay. So we got most of it solved. Most of it. We have half and half. Does it really look like a half? I think so. And I do have that piece. I made this half piece, so it goes right there. And this one goes right here. Bloop, bloop, snap. Okay. Nice. Oh, this is not oriented properly. I do want to have that gap. Oh, we need a corner piece. Because it goes here and here. Yep, I do want those. That gap, I want it here, so we can get our handrails right there. Okay, this one needs a little modification. These ones are not oriented properly. Cool. Nice. That's very cool. Yes, this one. Let's fix that one. I think just a simple mirror is gonna mess up the grill. Yeah, it's gonna make a line in the grill most likely. So let's come here, change it, and modeling. Model mirror, shift to center. Okay, so shift to center has to do with the center of the object. It does not have to do with the pivot. That's kind of good to know. I thought it has to do with the pivot. So if I go like this, there you go. That's what I want. I want this to be. Okay, we are getting some funkiness here. Yes. That's not exactly what I need there, but oof. Okay. So we need to fix this thing. Attributes, generate polygroups, phase normal deviation. We get rid of those pieces. Do we have a duplicate or what's going on here? That's very strange. Okay, generate polygroups, find quads. There you go. Okay, now oh, there's a cool trick. Generate polygroups from connected trees right there. So model polyedit, we get these. Oh, these are, oh damn, These are the same piece. Yeah, we cannot just copy this and go there. We will need to separate the model or get the other piece from the other side. And you know what? Let's get rid of this. And the other change I want to make here is, should we get rid of that? That kind of looks cool. It could be used to, like, you know, it gives support. It will need to actually touch this edge like as the other ones do, but it's whatever. I think I'm gonna leave it like that. Kind of looks interesting. Okay. Right. So yeah, we got these very cool pipes here. Let's go 50 and 50 units. Is it actually? Nope, it's a 55. Bloop, right there. One more. Bloop, nice. We are missing this piece right here. It will be super cool to actually use this thing and bend it against the structure. It will give it like way more detail and it will look nicer, because we are actually just wasting that detail inside. So I'll try to modify it, because it actually will look very nice. We'll give it a lot more detail, and it will like hold the structure way better, because now it does look like it's just going into the wall, no bolts, nothing holding the thing. So okay, that's a good thing. Just trying to give it some sense. This concrete, I would love to bevel it a little bit, but I am not gonna do any bevels for now until the thing is actually finished, because yeah, I want to make sure that it works. Okay, this is the actual merged version, this is the separated version. Always keep a separated version backup. So we can snap this like that. Wait. We do have some sea fighting right there. Okay, this one cannot really end right there. Yeah, this one is gonna be tough. The cable ones, this will require a custom piece. Okay, I've been I'm not sure about this double thing. I could push it right on top of the other one. Does feel like it's continuing a little, giving me more more space here to continue. So that could be a solution. Oh, yeah, this cable thing is gonna be very interesting. Is it there? Okay, nice. Yep. I think I'm just gonna make it metal, like, close that. Okay, I think these are very interesting pieces. They are the same, but they don't look the same. That's a good modular piece. Depending on the angle you look at it, looks a little different. Okay. Oh, so this is merged. Oh yeah, I have the unmerged version there. So I guess it kind of works that it's actually merged. Let's see if we can get this one. Nice. And here we can actually do some cool stuff, because this piece is one module. It's not gonna be connecting. So let's go Control B, Control D. Also, the cool thing about working on a separate level is that all the pieces you make with the modeling tools go into their level folder, which is awesome. You can see whatever you make here, instead of like seeing a bunch of pieces everywhere. So this is probably the way to do this. Just working on the main level is just very messy. When it comes to little things like this, model, mirror, shift to center, 45. Oh, it has an angle. Oh, wait. I'm doing this wrong. Oops. Forward, backward, shift to center. There you go. Is it matching? Nope, it's not matching. But that's fine. Oh, it's because it's coming out. Yes. So. Okay. Okay, cool. Okay, we got it snapping there. We just have this nonsense happening here. Oh, that looks cool. But the proper way to do this is actually getting rid of these connections. Like, what is this? What is this? Or making the tubes a little bit more, a little shorter. Yeah, definitely. Okay, let's just go with it, because I would like to that's kind of cool. It goes down, up, boom, boom, boom. Wow, this is looking cool. Oh wow, we got some funkiness here. before deleting this piece, I kind of want to just check. Do we have some other piece that will match that? Okay, we do have a couple of them that might get this job done. Just need to make sure that we have the same scale. Okay. Okay. Oh, yeah, I think it's a matter of trying to mirror this one. It's gonna give me, yep, the same intersection. This one, it doesn't, yeah, matter. It's gonna give me very similar results. This one, no, this is not the solution. It's gonna give me very similar solutions. I do need to do it here because this is just too this one really just cannot be. Oh, okay, I'm getting very close. Yeah, almost. Yeah, let's do it with this one. Getting very close. This one is gonna give me good results. So yep, I guess all right, let's fix this one. Oh, nice. Connected trees, exactly what I need. So gone, and gone. Sweet. Then Control B, Control D. We don't want to modify the original piece. This is gonna be F3. Mirror, Shift to center, 45. Backwards, Shift to center, 45. Or is it forward? Shift to center, 45. All right. Here we can, yep, push it 10 units. Nice. Looks. Is it? No, we are missing a little bit. This will require. Yep, that's a little better. I think that's way nicer. Sweet, cool. Yeah, it will be nice to fix this nonsense right here. I mean, let's try something very quick just to see what the result is. Let's say I want to go here and go like deform vertex sculpting. I'm gonna mess this pipe up, but Jesus. No symmetry. Why do I have symmetry? Up there you go. I can only imagine the. Oh my god. I can only imagine the UVs after this. it kind of cool. Like somebody hit this pipe or something. It's in a perfect place to be hit, right in the corner. Let's see what happens. Wow. Okay, it actually worked. It doesn't look that bad, and it gives it like that sweet uniqueness. Jesus Christ. Okay. Yep, I like this. That's a cool technique. Let's make the brush very tiny. Just this sharpness, I don't want that sharpness. Yep, get that thing off. Boom, 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 boom. Nope, 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 nope. We cannot move those triangles that much, because if not, the texture will just... The brush resizes by itself. Cool. Alright, accept. Well, did mess up a little bit here, and that's not so sweet right there. Are those the project shadows? I would like to recalculate the normals for this piece only, but I don't want to separate it. Yeah, whatever. Yeah, this one. Yeah, to be honest, here the thing to do is actually do the same pyramid. So it goes here, then the next one ends here, the next one ends here, following this mesh distance, so we can get that sweet repetition, like book, book, book. It will look way more like this, like pluk, 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 in a pyramid shape, following the actual shape that we're trying to do. Yeah, this is definitely not following the... It's out of place, but it's okay. It's not following the design. What's the word? The design brief. Okay. So do we have something like that? That piece, I don't have it separated. I would love to get this piece and try to mirror that thing to see if we can get this gap. Oh, let's see. So let me push these 50 units, maybe 800, 200. Control B, Control D. Let's try to make I want only that piece. So gone. Right there. Go 200 back. Nice. And here I want to keep the pivot point right there because it does snap very nicely. Oh, it was what? I thought I was snapping. Trying to save as much detail as I want, and I don't know why is this so shiny. I do like that space in between. Oh, that's even better. Yep, I do like that. Nice. So here, this might not work. Mirror. I know, I'm messing up. I need to actually do it differently. One more maybe? Or, yeah, I think one more. If we get 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. Merge. Mirror. 45. Okay, well, this is some crazy shape right there. Let's see what we got. Okay, it goes. Oof, that looks sharp and like dangerous, and it does look like some kind of like character face. Bolts are not touching too much. I think we got something interesting, and it does look very intimidating. It's like you don't want to touch this metal because you might get electrocuted or something, and I do like this, so let's go. 1, 2, 3. That's a cool little piece right there. Duplicate and cut the thing that you want. You could use the pattern circle and use just half. Yeah, the pattern circle is an awesome tool. Definitely used that one before. Definitely gonna do some cool stuff with that one. But yeah, I think this works for now. Just wanna get the this last piece right here. Let's see what can we do with this. Okay, let's see if we can get this selection. Yeah, my drag on select, for some reason I'm not getting that right. So let's see. Double check. I appreciate it, Nico. Yeah, I love the modeling tools. It's just because like people think these modeling tools are made to like create a face from scratch, but no, they're not. They're made for this thing, editing things in Unreal. So that way I don't need to go to Blender or Maya or whatever. I can see it right here. I can make sure it works. It's just awesome, and you can really go deep with this thing. So every time I can use the modeling tools, I do like it a lot. Okay, we have this thing here now. We don't need. this other piece. So I guess I'm going to go like this. Not like this, not that, not this, not this, just this. Just delete that, and I'm going to get these two pieces here. The same issue here. Let's see where the module ends. The module ends here. So I want to just make sure that this is connecting. Okay. Because I'm trying to not get these weird angles here. So I'm thinking maybe merging, then getting this angle here, that piece here, right? Tuk tuk. And then after merge, we can actually mirror. Okay. I think that's the. That's what I'm trying. Yeah. What I'm going to do. So merge. New object. So we have that thing, and I want to get my. This is the clean one. No, this is F3. I want to get my clean piece, which is F2. I believe this is the clean, the original. So, whoop, let's push this one. Scale 1. Don't really have a nice spot to snap to, so kinda need to bring this. Okay. Oh. And this is a little bit too far away. This is the difficult thing. So, okay, let's say we have this align here. I want to bring it. Let's try to snap to 5, somewhere closer. That's the difficult thing. Here I want to try to keep it as. We're still getting the pyramid effect. Okay. Oh, that means that these are going to be different. Okay. So it's kind of cool to have these separate. Nice. Okay. Then let's go 5, and this one goes here. Let's see, are we getting that pyramid effect? Kinda. Okay. So what I'm trying to do here is do a mirror test. So polygroup shrink until has the same edge margin, and then the pipe that joins. Not sure if I understood. But here I want to join these two with a mirror. Wanna try to join that as nice as possible, like this. Sweet. Okay, so we have that, and then we need to get rid of this nonsense here. Oh, wait. Okay, no problem. We can edit that. We're getting a little bit far away from the wall, because yeah, the wall is actually tilting. So let me see. So here, this pipe goes very nice. Here we do need to change it up a little. Oh, I think this one is not matching. Oh, it's yeah. I'm just doing the thing in the other side. Okay, it's this one. Just 1 point, I guess, but without snap. I think that's good. Oh, shrink the pipes, like scale them, make them shorter. I'm going to do, yeah, I'm gonna make this one. Yeah, see, yeah. So they match the same piece. Now I think I understood. Okay. I'm just testing if it's actually going to connect on this other side. So I think we should proceed. Let's hide these two. No, not hide, but okay. Here. Polygroup. Face normal deviation, model polyedit, and here we're gonna get it. I'm not sure if I'm getting the thing right or not. Okay. We need to snap to 5. Okay, we have that one. So let's go back. So we went 1, 2, 3, 4 times. 1, 2, 3. Only 3? What? I might. I think I count wrong. Anyways, I think it's nice. Here we have a different issue. Here, actually the pipes are matching. Oh yeah, so actually here we're gonna do this insert edge loop. Oh, it's not looping there. Ooh. Oh no, it's not looping. Okay, let's go one by one. So here, to match this one, I guess I need to do the same trick. Just make a copy and mirror. Oh, I was right. Yeah, I'm missing 5 units on this one. Yeah, yeah. I think I was right. Let's see. This one needs to go 5, like this. Can always bring it back. There you go. Snap. Boom. Not the nicest, but again. Okay, so this is the other one. This one works nicely. We just need to do the thing. We can always just bully this out, like, if there's no other solution. But let's see if we can find some other poly group that will help find quads. I still see this double edge right there, or it's just a visualization issue. It's kind of hard to tell. Is that a double edge? No, I think it's just Unreal showing thicker lines for some reason. Might be the UV seam, I don't know. So, okay, find quads. Then I'm going to go to Model, Poly Edit, Insert Edge Loop. Oh, it kind of allows me to... Let's see if we can, like, maybe put it somewhere here. Okay, that's gonna mess up the textures. Somewhere around there. Bloop. Yes, this is gonna mess up the textures for sure. Face. Yep, let's try to select this. And I think we can just bloop, delete it. And now we need to fix this thing, which we're gonna get the vertices. Very careful selection here. And then we're gonna scale them against each other. That's gonna flatten them down. And here we're gonna push again 5 units into the other pipe. Maybe that's too much. Maybe 4, 3 units to be right there. Cool. The less we actually push them, the less we mess the UVs. The textures. So 1, I think 1 is good, just enough so it's actually in there. Okay, so let's get that one. Okay, scale against each other. Now that is flat, let's push 1, 2, that's good. The less we push it, the best. Accept. Yeah, kind of cool. There's another thing that I would like to check, and is that this is yep, right here. Since this is a pyramid wall, at a tilted wall, we need to do some little things specifically for these ones. So poly edit, gonna get this, and we're gonna get this, and we're just gonna push them 1, 2. It would be awesome to all give it like the right angle and stuff, but that will mess the cylinder here. So yeah, let's just whatever, just push them a little. And I think we can do the same here. So get those, and we went 2 units. 1, 2. Yeah. Yeah, those are little things, you know. I was playing High on Life the other day, and they have this pipe puzzle where you need to like flip pipes, so this little octopus character goes through, and there were pipes not aligning correctly, not snapping correctly, and there were pipes intersecting each other, and I was like, it doesn't really matter, nobody cares, but it does look nice when things are just in place. It's not like the character will be able to just walk, you know, in there and see that thing, but you know, this piece is gonna get repeated over and over, so might as well just try to get it. And still, it's not perfect. Still, there are some 0.12 centimeters where things are not touching nicely. Okay, cool. So next step is gonna be getting this little thing to get the tilted position. That's gonna add a lot more detail, more structure to the thing, and it's gonna look very nice. But it's been 3 hours, yeah. So I think I need to take a break. That looks kind of cool. This pipe is a little too big compared to that one. Should we make this one thicker as well? I think so. It just doesn't feel right to have all this weight and then this little pipe right there. I think I might make them thicker. So again, we follow the pyramid structure. Oh, we are not following the pyramid structure here, but it continues there. Everything is distributed just too nicely. we need some space for air. We do need some space. Maybe just taking out this little pipe down here will make it breathe a little bit. Definitely need to test that one. But yeah, that's cool. Nice. That's very cool. We can also add pipes underneath these modules. Underneath these modules we can add cables maybe. That'll be very cool. So when you are walking in here, you will see a bunch of cables in there. It's funny because like I'm making this too crazy heavy. Like that's the thing. This is supposed to be a game. It needs to run. But I think we can get away with some cables in here. That's gonna be nice. But yeah, today was a nice day. I did 2 streams. Oh, 2 a.m. Wow. Yeah, time to go to bed. Oh, I'm getting some messages in the other chat. What? Oh no, we got that. Cool. I thought I was not getting those in the main chat. I use this streamer bot app that brings all the chats together for me here, and that's super awesome. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Take care.